Hi everyone, I hope you're doing good. My name is Rishikesh. So last week I was talking to one of the CAT aspirants and she shared that how she's put in extra hours after the work to prepare for the exam. So one thing which I realized during my preparation and also when I talk to the batchmates is you need to put in the extra hours and efforts to crack the exam like CAT. But at the same time, it is very important that how smartly you manage your resources and get the right guidance. So three things which will help you in your CAT preparation are mastering the time management. We have 24 hours and everyone has a lot to cover, especially if you are working. So very important that how efficiently you manage your time. Second, sharpening the analytical skills because that will help you to cover two of the important sections of your exam, which is LID and cons. And third, most importantly, practicing regularly with the mock test. So there is a belief that I'll complete the syllabus and then I'll start with the mocks. But I'll tell you, until the day of the exam, you won't be able to cover everything which is required for CAT. So even if you are at a preparation level of 75 to 80%, I'll suggest start with the mocks because it will help you to give a glimpse into the level of your preparation, where do you stand, and where you want to fine tune your strategy. And all these three things, you don't need to worry that where I'll get. You can get all these three things into the MBA Wallah's new batches. So before we discuss about the batches, let's also see the results, right? Because that's one of the important parameter while selecting the right resource. In CAT 2024, more than 42 students, they scored above 99 percentile and more than 900 students, they scored above 90 percentile. These are the results of MBA Wallah and I think the numbers speak for itself. And what I believe is with the right resource, the right strategy, and the right guidance, you can definitely achieve this particular feat. Now, let's talk about the batches. If you are someone who is starting from the scratch or someone who is giving the next attempt, both of you are covered by MBA Wallah. The first batch, which is MBA Elite 2025, it is for someone who is starting from the scratch. So they want to build up to the intermediate level with a solid strategy. Then this batch is for you. The different elements or the features of this batch are as follows. You get more than 300 hours of live and the recorded lectures, 12,000 plus daily practice problems with solutions, 20 full-length mock test series along with the percentile predictor. You get the access to CAT 2024 batch material and also you can prepare for the other OMETs like ZAT, CMAT, NMAT, SNAP, etc. Now, the second batch, which is MBA Repeaters 2025, it is for someone who want to give the next attempt with the right guidance, intense practice and a focused revision, then this batch is for you. Now let's understand the features of this batch. You get 8,000 plus practice questions. You have 20 full-length mock test series along with the advanced analytics. You also get this feature of live and the recorded lectures which you can access from anytime, anywhere. And most importantly, you can practice infinitely with this special feature. And the good news is you can use my coupon code RS500 to get extra discounts on the fees of these batches. If you want to know more about both of these batches, go to the description box where I've added the link. Go there, see the batch, understand which batch suits you, and then prepare accordingly. I hope this video helps you to find out the right batch. And also, what I understood is that with the right guidance and the strategy and the right resources, it is definitely possible to crack CAT and get into your B school. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment on this video and I'll try to answer it. You can also DM me through my Instagram channel. I hope this video helps you to find the right resource as well. I wish you all the best and I'll see you in the next one.